In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust strip margins in the Wix editor. First, open your site in the Wix editor. Head to wix.com, log in, and choose the site you want to work on. Click Edit Site to open the standard Wix editor. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the page where you want the change to appear. Next, add a strip or select an existing one. If you're adding a new one, click Add, choose Section. If you want a full page area, then go back to Add and select Strip. Pick any layout you like. The layout won't affect the margin controls. Once it's on the page, click directly on the strip so you see the handles or the border around it. That visual outline is your cue that the strip, not the page or another element, is selected. With the strip selected, look toward the top toolbar. You'll see options related to settings and design. Find the stretch control. It's the icon with two arrows pointing outward. And click it to open the stretch and margin settings for the strip. In the stretch panel, you'll see two key modes, page and screen. Page means the strip stretches to the site's page width. Respecting the left and right page margins defined by your site theme. Screen lets you adjust the left and right margins yourself, independently of the site's default page boundaries. If you want precise control, choose Screen, then use the sliders to widen or tighten the margins, or type exact values like 104 pixels for a consistent result. As you adjust, keep an eye on how your content shifts within the strip to maintain good spacing and readability. If you don't see the margins or stretch option, you're likely clicking the section instead of the strip. This is common because the two can overlap visually. Click away to deselect, then click directly on the strip again until you see the strip's handles. Reopen the stretch or margins panel and the controls should appear. When you're happy with the margins, publish to see the change live. Click Publish in the top right corner. It's also a good idea to click Preview first to test how the strip looks on desktop. Then switch to the mobile view inside the editor to confirm the layout translates well. Margins and alignment can feel tighter on smaller screens, so minor tweaks there can help. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.